What's up, everyone? So today I am going to the one and only American Horror Story Murder House. This has been my favorite show ever since the first day that it came out. I have been a fan of every single season. I am such a hard die fan of this show. So the fact that I am officially going to the murder house, I am so excited. Let's see if we can capture like a ghost in the window or just anything like paranormal. Um, Even like a feeling. Let's see if we get like a feeling like looking in the window or anything. I am so excited. It's a 51-minute drive, 100% worth it. So let's get in the car and let's head there. So I just got off of the freeway. I am 1 mile away from the infamous murder house. I am so excited to see it. You can see that we are just so close to it, less than a mile away. I am so excited to actually like get in and see it. Obviously I can't go in, but outside. If they do tours, I will 100% do a tour of it, but I don't think they do tours of that specific house. They do of the Westchester Mansion, the haunted one in San Jose, but that was 2 hours away, so I did not visit there, but I would have loved to. Definitely next time I'm in California, I'll check out the Westchester Mansion. That one, they do have tours. I heard they are not doing it right now due to COVID, but when COVID's over, hopefully, you know, by like next year, yeah, I would totally be into it. Cool, and in the distance, you can see that there is the hill in the back with the famous Hollywood sign. It's gonna be hard to see, but it's right in front of, right behind that little tower. I'll put a little point to it. Now we have the cute palm trees. Hello, palm trees. Okay, so we are right around the block from the infamous, oh, it's right there. It's right there. Amazing, amazing. Ooh, where do I park? Where do I park? So dope. So here is the actual street. I'm just looking for some parking at the moment. So we are about to explore the infamous murder house from American Horror Story. So cool in the background. I'm so excited to show you it, the street, just really everything about it. So let's get right into it. So here we have the block. It's right next to it. Up there we have the infamous murder house in American Horror Story. So cool. Up here we have the street. Just the street view alone is absolutely amazing. It's like so iconic. Cannot believe I am here. We're gonna cross this street real quick. And then damn, it's so much bigger than I expected too. I mean, I know it was like a mansion, yes, but I did not know it would have been so incredibly huge. First, I'm gonna go ahead and check out the side of the house. Checking out the side of the house, the architecture is really cool. This is where they did have the gazebo in the show. It does have an eerie feeling being here. It looks so creepy from this angle, and especially just like putting like my hand on like the property. I feel like, you know, I've been touched. Whoa, so a crow ended up chilling by me, and when I seen, he like ran away. So the fact that that happened, like as soon as I touched the property, was absolutely insane just now. Absolutely insane. Tell me if you see anything in the windows or anything, definitely comment down below. And now I want to go to the front of the house. So here we are in front of the infamous American Horror Story murder house. Absolutely stunning. Like the details, especially in person, looks absolutely incredible. Ooh, there's a lamp. There's a couple lamps in the windows. You can see the white lamps. If only they did tours. It'd be so cool to do an actual tour of the residence. Looking at this pink door right here, it actually turns out that this is a cathedral that is attached to the actual house. So as if this house couldn't get any more creepy, it actually has a cathedral attached right to it. Now we have the gates and the entrance. So cool. Zooming in into the entrance, so cool. It's like very long entrance as well. The detailing on the house is just like phenomenal. So one thing that I never knew that was actually like in the show is the driveway right here. Actually, I may have remembered it. I think they tried to like run up that house before, but they drove off and then they couldn't actually like leave. Violet ended up just like, getting popped back into the house. But this is so cool. Um, Absolutely amazing. So this house is actually called the Rosenheim Manor. It was built in 1902 by Alfred Rosenheim, who was a German-American architect. It was built near an area called Billionaire Row in 1908, which was home to the wealthiest families in California. Kind of looks like there's one broken window up there. You can kind of see like the dot of it. That's cool. There's this like weird symbol right here on that one. It's pretty interesting. I can't tell if someone's actually in the house because this window kind of looks like a light's on, but it could have just been like the sun's reflection. Of course, private property, no trespassing. It is protected and armed with a lot of security. So, there's cameras on the actual house. So I'm probably on camera doing this right now as I speak as well. We got the palm trees up here looking gorgeous and brilliant. Down the block with the famous palm trees, I feel like Billy Lord is about to run over the Antichrist right now, right in front of this house. I also feel like the Black Pope is gonna come. That would be super cool. So taking one last look at this house, it is just very, very picturesque. It is just so beautiful and just so gorgeous. Everything about it I feel is just truly amazing. I am very happy that I am finally able to see it. It was definitely a goal of mine and this just makes me very happy. This house is absolutely beautiful and I love it. So walking down the streets, it's on Winchester or Westchester. It's on Westchester and Country Club Road. Hidden by a giant bush. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. I will say that this house has like an addictive feeling to it. 100% for sure. I want to explore and go inside and like revamp it up and see like what we can make out of it. It would be really cool to do a video in there. Alright, so that was the house. Super cool. I will kind of, miss the house a little bit. It's just like cool. Damn, I want to buy it and renovate it. Cool. But now I am headed off to my homeland, Calabasas, and then to my private spot that I found in Malibu. So now let's head there. After being at the infamous murder house.